will be giving you the little tour.
Okay.
Excuse, I'm a little bit hoarse. Okay. If you cannot hear me good, you just...
Okay. Lean in.
We'll lean in.
Alright.
Pinky.
I offered you here like to go in at the cage so you can have the monkeys on you and you can take pictures.
Yeah.
Okay. Our rules will be we do not touch, okay?
Okay.
I got one that you can touch, but I tell you do not touch.
Should I take my earrings out?
No.
Okay.
Everything is perfect.
Okay.
But a lot of people like to go in and just touch the monkey and get bites. So we don't need it.
Oh, yeah. Well, plus it's probably scared of you, too. So it's like trying to protect himself.
They defend themselves.
Yeah, they're trying to protect themselves.
Yeah.
Look at him.
We got Pinky and Coco.
Hi. Hi.
Can you come here?
Yes.
Hi.
I can help you with pictures too.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. Hi there.
Oh, you got a treat? Did you get a treat? You got treats.
Now
Can you
the
record
doors,
me?
they can't get out.
Can you record me?
Yes. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hi. He doesn't like me. Should I come down closer to the bar?
Right over here, Mama.
Oh, this one?
I can't see what I'm recording. There we go.
There we go. Oh. Hi. Oh, it's going to.
Hi, Liz.
Call its name, Karen.
Pinky.
Pinky. Hi,
So it looks
Pinky.
at the camera over here.
Hi, Pinky.
Pinky. Pinky.
Oh.
Pinky.
Nothing like a monkey tail in your face.
Pinky. Are you a good monkey? Pinky, a good monkey? They had their treats and they're done.
What are you
Look at
feeding them?
I've given
Sunflower
them
seeds and stuff, right?
tortilla
Oh,
and
here.
sunflower
Do you want to
seeds.
turn it off for a minute? I don't know.